your girl. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing May Shop My Stash. So before I get into this video, please do not forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up if you hit the notification bell, share my video because sharing is caring, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I know I sound a little nasally, and that's because my allergies are kicking my butt right now. Hence why it's just all up in here, my sinuses or whatever. Took a Benadryl, took a good nap, but the drainage is real. So first things first, Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. I've used this plenty of times. I've decided to pull this back out so I can use, you know, the rest. I'm trying to really go through my collection. There's no need for this stuff to be sitting and collecting dust. Now, granted, your girl has really been busy with school. I have an exam tomorrow morning. So by the time you see this video, hopefully I'll pass the exam. So while that's settling in, I'm gonna move on to brows. Brows, I'm gonna use the brow glue from NYX. Really love this. So I'm gonna let that dry down and go in with the face glue from NYX. This is also a gripping primer. Now, you don't necessarily have to put this all over your face. You can just put it in certain areas, but for today, I kind of want my makeup to last a little bit longer. Now, one of the products I'll be using is kind of new to me, so, you know, it'll kind of be like a first impression type deal. So, stay tuned for that. So, to fill in my brows, I'm using the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen, and this is in Espresso. I used this in the last video. Oh, forgetting, let me clean under my brows. So to clean under my brows, or to, you know, make them look a little bit more defined, one size concealer, and this is in medium 4 neutral golden. For foundation, I'm going to use the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation from Urban Decay. This is in 61 Neutral Neutral. So I haven't really gotten my summer tan yet, so it is a tad bit, a little bit darker because it is my summer shade, but we can balance it out. It's okay. I've always said I'd rather it be darker than too light. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more where I have the dark spots, just for a little bit more coverage. Okay, moving on to concealer. One size again. I don't need a lot. As you can see, one dip is all that I need. As you can see, it's giving me coverage and super brightness. I take whatever is left on the brush and just do it right here. I don't want my forehead that bright. I was going to use the Estee Lauder Soft Touch Brightening Skin Sealer. I could just use a little because my under eyes are already bright. And much doesn't come out of this. This is a weird applicator. It did bring like a little bit of a hydrated look under my eye because the concealer is matte, so that's a good thing. Okay, moving on to bronzer. I haven't used this bronzer in a minute, and this is from Charlotte Tilbury. It came out maybe 2-3 years ago, and this is the cream bronzer. So I have two of the Morphe blush trios. They're called Cheek Thrills. This one is Beach Bonfire. This is more of a coral peach. And then this one is a pre-skies, and this one is a coral pink. This is what a pre-skies look like. So I have Freaky Peach from one size, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna compare that to this one, Beach Bonfire. Let's see what's what. So this is what they look like. Okay, they're somewhat similar, but also I can see the difference in the two. So I'm gonna use Beach Bonfire. It's more so for like an everyday type look versus the other one. I just don't want it to be loud. And it has the protective piece for these two. So that's cute, that's smart. Let's use this for the cream. Okay. Hopefully you can see it. So that's what the cream looks like. Very balmy type texture, but it's not splatchy. You know what I'm saying? It's coming off pretty good, pretty good. Let's go in with the powder. Do the powder and then I'll set my under eye. So I have to take the brush this way because of the size of the pans, which is cool, but just wanted to let you know. So I'm going to set my bronzer using Charlotte Tilbury's bronzing number 3. This is the powder bronzer. So if I didn't mention, this one is number 3 as well. So I have it in the cream and in the powder. I like to pair them together. Now to set my under eye, I'm gonna use Pat McGrath's light medium number 2. Trying to hit pan on this, so I'm gonna use the Dior Backstage Sheer Face Powder. We're gonna go back into Morphe's palette and use the highlighter. See what it's working with. This is the middle shade. They don't have names, so. Oh, it's cream too. Ew. I don't know. Just powdered my face. Let's see. Okay. It's cool. It's not sticking. No wonder there's a protective barrier. So I'm gonna go back into the bronzer and put some on my eyes just to give a little definition. For eyeliner, using Maybelline's Precise Liquid Eyeliner. This is a brown one. Let's see. Yep, it's called brown. Mascara. I'm gonna use L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. So if you watched my last video, I got a lash curler. So I can curl these lashes that I got from Sephora. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna use Tower 28 lip gloss in pistachio. No lip pencil, just a basic lip. Sometimes gloss is just all you need, and I'm literally out of this. So last thing to use is the Easy Bake Setting Spray from Huda Beauty. Okay, so this is the final look of May's Shop My Stash. Simple, quick little 1-2. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching. Just wanna be your girl.